Today we discuss about contact force. So here there are two blocks of masses m1 and m2. So these two blocks are laying in contact on smooth horizontal surface. Then a horizontal force is applied on block m1. Now we can find out the contact force in between the two blocks and acceleration of the system. Okay, I can explain. So here the two blocks are arranged in laying on a smooth horizontal surface. These two blocks are contact to each other. Then a horizontal force acting on the block M1. Then these two blocks move together with same acceleration. Its acceleration direction is left to right. Now we can find out the acceleration of this system and we can find out the contact force between two blocks M1 and M2. So this arrangement, that is a representation of reaction force. So here these are the two blocks. This is the applied force. This is the block M1. Now here this is the M2 block. So here in this situation, contact force in this way. That means this is the F, this is also F. Here F means it is the actional force. This is the reactional force. So now we can find out the contact force and acceleration of the system. Okay. Free body diagram of M1 block. First of all, free body diagram of M1 block. So here this is the M1 block. So here applied force acting on the M1 block left to right, but contact force in between the M1 and M2 block, its direction is right to left, but acceleration of the system is left to right. So therefore resultant force acting on the M1 block is F minus small f. According to Newton's second law, F are equal to ma, M1a equal to F minus small f. So this is equation number 1. Now free body diagram of M2. So free body diagram of M2 block. So here this is the M2 block. So here contact force acting on the M2 block this direction. So here acceleration of the M2 block is left to right. So therefore resultant force acting on the M2 block F are equal to small f. According to Newton's second law, F are equal to M2a equal to small f. So this is equation number 2. Now these two equations are adding, we get acceleration. Now acceleration of this system, acceleration of this system. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get acceleration. So here equation 1 is m1a equal to f minus small f. Equation 2 is m2a equal to small f. So these two equations are adding, minus f plus f cancel. So therefore a into m1 plus m2 is equal to capital F. So therefore acceleration equal to f by m1 plus m2. So this is the acceleration of this system. It can be written as so here acceleration of this system is equal to, so here F means applied force so force is applied by total mass. Okay, now we can find out the contact force. Now we can find out the contact force. So here from equation 2 we get small f equal to m2 into a. Here small f is contact force in between m1 block and m2 block. Small f equal to m2 into, you know that, so here acceleration of this system equal to f bar m1 plus m2. So now these values substitute in equation m2a. So m2 into, here a is f bar m1 plus m2. So therefore contact force F equal to m2f by m1 plus m2. So these contact force can be written as contact force is equal to, it can be representing letter small f, is equal to mass being pushed into acceleration of this system. Okay, our concept is completed. Thank you. Okay, students, this is one of the example problem in above concept. So here there are two blocks are contact each other, are laying on a smooth horizontal table. So here this is the first block of mass m1, that is 3 kg, second block of mass 2 kg. Now two forces are acting on the two blocks. Here F1 force, that is 20 newtons, acting on block M1 left to right direction, and another force F2 is equal to 5 newtons is acting on the block M2. It's a direction right to left. Now we can find out acceleration of this system and find out also contact force in between the M1 block and M2 block. So here contact force in between the M1 block and M2 block this way. Now we can find out acceleration of the system. So free body diagram of M1. Free body diagram of M1 block. So here this is the M1 block. Here F1 force acting on the M1 block left to right direction. Contact force in between the M2 block and M1 block. F, small f, is acting right to left. But acceleration of the system. So here both blocks are moved together with the same acceleration A from left to right direction. So therefore resultant force acting on the M1 block F1 minus small f. According to Newton's second law, F equal to ma, that is the M1a equal to F1 minus small f. So this is the equation number 1. Now free body diagram of M2. Now free body diagram of M2 block. So here this is the M2 block. So here this is the contact force acting on the M2 block in this direction, but F2 force acting on the M2 block, its direction is right to left, but acceleration of the M2 block is left to right. So therefore resultant force Fr equal to F minus F2. According to Newton's second law, F equal to M2a equal to F minus F2. Okay. Now these two equations, so equation 1 and equation 2 are adding, we get acceleration. Now acceleration of this system. Now acceleration of the system. So here now adding equation 1 and 2. So here equation 1 is M1a equal to F1 minus small f. Here equation 2, this is the equation number 2. So here equation number 2 is M2a equal to small f minus f. So therefore here small f minus small f plus small f cancel. So therefore a into M1 plus M2 is equal to F1 minus F2. Okay. Now acceleration of this system. So here A equal to F1 minus F2 by M1 plus M2. So here F1 is 20 newtons minus F2 is 5 newtons. So here M1 mass of the block M1 is 3 kgs and mass of the block M2 is 2 kgs. So therefore 15 by 5, that is 3. So here 3 meter per second square is the acceleration of this system. Now we can find out the contact force. We can find out the now we can find out contact force. Contact force. So here from equation 1 we get M2A equal to, here equation 1, that is M1A equal to F1 minus small f. So therefore small f equal to F1 minus M1A. So here small f equal to F1 is 20 newtons minus M1 means 3 kgs and acceleration of this system is 3. So here 20 minus 9, its value is 11 newtons. Here 11 newtons is the contact force between M1 and M2 block and the acceleration of this system is the 3 meter per second. Okay, it is completed. Thank you.